Hello everyone, Sam is here from myfirstmagicwave.com. Just making this small video just to show that how I traded today, October 24, using this Magic IB system, showing you live trades which I took. So let's get started. I just want to make a small video. This is a Euro Yen. I even tweeted on my Twitter that Euro Yen is making a setup, long setup on 20-minute chart, and here it is. And I took it all the way to the upside. I forgot to write how many pips here. This is 20-minute chart, Euro Yen on the 24th. I closed it on the 24th, but if you notice, the entry was almost well at the end of 23rd and the beginning of. See, this white line is the daily open and close. So just right around there, the beginning of the day, the 24th. The next trade, you can see this one was also, the entry was on 23rd, Euro Aussie, 20-minute, and it went up all the way there. And here comes the Aussie news, which was bad. Aussie got weaker, big time, and then all the way to 52.24. This is a very big number, weekly high. I closed my trade here, although this trade went much higher. But I just closed it on this number because you know what, enough is enough. 180 pip from here to there. Okay, and this is again 23rd entry, but I closed it on 24 in the night time. 8:30 was Aussie news, and that added some fuel to the fire. And this is one of the pound Aussie after an up move. It retraces into. See, this is how nicely it makes the setup. Okay, so this was a beautiful long setup. This was a setup also. I took it, and then my SL hit, which was around probably like 15 pip or something, 14 or 15 pip. But then I got this one, and then it started wobbling in here, there, and then I closed this one as well. Then what happened is that later, see, this is where what happened, and I closed it right above this white line, and it came down all the way and gave me another entry, and this entry, it went all the way to the upside right after the news. So they're here, some 40, 50 pip here, and then 115 pip. I closed the trade, even though this one also, it went much higher. But, I closed it because, enough is enough. So, few trades, but you can see how many pips. And this is, exact by the book entries, especially these two. And also, this one is the first one, and then this one also. And Euro Yen was perfect by the book entry. This is what we need to do. This was a trade as well, but it was before, like on the 19th October. So same entry you can see here. It went up, came down. This indicator is down here. It started to go up, and then you make an entry here for 100 pip or more, easy. And this is again went to, this is a nice level here where I closed the trade. So this is how it is. It's very easy. Just need to learn a little bit. That's all. And good things comes after a little hard work. So it's not a hard work. It's just learning how to do it, and that's it. And I'm here to teach. I do the webinar Wednesday and Sunday. Tomorrow is the webinar at 4 o'clock. And even though, to be honest with you, I was expecting Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, and Pound USD to go down. My analysis for the week was that we're going to be probably going down these pairs, and we're going to be shorting. But what happened is that when you try short and it don't work out, and then you see that the price changes direction, and then you find a long entry. And this is the beauty of this strategy, this system, that it clearly gives you long or short entries regardless of the analysis. If the analysis is there, and if that happens, that's beautiful. But even then, if you think that this pair is going to go down, but it will give you a long entry after a while, and then you take it, and this is what happened. My analysis, for example, I show you here. Let me see if I can show you here. Yeah, this is a 40-minute chart, US dollar index. And I've been tracking this all along, but just the last couple of charts I'm going to, this is Elliott wave study, wave 1, 2, 3, or maybe C, right? A, B, C, correction. And if this is wave 4 or wave 1, then we're supposed to go for wave 2 right around here and then drop for wave 3. And if it is wave 4, we will go up all the way for wave 5. And that's what happens. A couple of days ago, it was here. And in fact, yesterday, it was here. It made a nice Gertley pattern. So I thought if it plays out, it's going to drop. But it didn't drop. It went up all the way. And right now, we are doing this. So when it was here, it was basically like a Gertley pattern, which usually gives you a reaction once complete. But this is which I call a failed Gertley. This is a failed Gertley, and it's going for wave 5. So if you know that what's happening, Elliott wave and harmonic patterns comes in between, and so if then strategy, Gertley didn't play out, so it is confirmed that we are going up to this 98.48 or 98.72 area for wave 5, and then we're going to make the turn from there. And this is what I have a weekly chart anyway. So with the analysis, with the help of index charts, USD index, pound index, euro index, Aussie index, and yen index, excuse me, I'm having hiccups. So, individual currency as well tells you if the price, if that particular currency is getting weaker or strong. And that helps a lot. Like I said, Aussie news came out, Aussie got weaker. What happened? Euro Aussie and pound Aussie, both flat. They both went to the upside big time, right? And similarly, Aussie USD, Aussie yen, they went down. But I didn't trade them. This maybe 1 or 2 trade at a time is more than enough. I had 115 from pound Aussie and 180 from euro Aussie. More than enough for a day. So this is how it is. And you can see the entries and everything is so precise with this system. No big wicks or no chaotic moves. Ups and downs all the time, it's like blue candle going up, hit the daily pivot, down, and then again you find an entry because it's above the wave, nice, very clean, long all the way to the upside, and then came down again, give you another entry, keep repeating. That's it. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and if you like what you saw, go on my website, myforexmagicwave.com, and subscribe and be a part of the group and start trading like this. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.